Alright guys, today we're working this 1985 GMC Sierra. Unfortunately we had a leaf spring break on us, so today we'll be tearing that out, bring it to the shop, getting that pack fixed, and should be good to roll again. Alright, so as you can see here, leaf pack, the shim there broke, both sides of the leaf. So we'll keep on blowing out pinion seals because the axle is torquing with that out. Well guys, turns out I have some new friends here in the truck. There are some eggs in that nest, so I'm not going to disturb them. Rather than pulling the truck in the garage, I'll just do the work here out in the yard. Take the leaf pack out, a couple bolts, and let those birds be on their way. So I was going to show you guys the pinion seal there popping when I stomp on the truck, but again, do the birds. We'll just leave her where she is. Basically that yoke right there will dive down. Stomp on it due to the fact that we are busted here on the shims. How the fuck? Alright, so as you can see here, our shim is definitely seen better days. So get a new one installed and be back on the road.